Hey guys, you wanted a benchmark video, so here it is. It's just finished Haven, so let's put everything up. This is the normal settings. FPS 38.4, scores 968, minimum 15 FPS and max of 85. And also there's specs, i7-950. GTX 460, that's the Talon Attack Hawk in there. Really glary. There you go, MSI, just about to see it. So yeah, all the settings are here. High textures, high shaders, tri-linear filter, 4x anti, however you say that word there. That one, I don't know. And all this, whatever. Tessellation's normal. So there you go, save. Yep. Okay, so there's your score for that one, 986. I've done 3D Marco 6 as well, because I did make a video of that one because it was taking ages to do, so here it is on the web page. So yeah, 3D Marco 6. Score of 90,910. I read a moment ago that if it's over 17,000 you've got a good PC, so I'm quite happy about that. 950, GTX 460, with the 7. Yes, it is the FPS. 24 on the return to ProxyCon. Firefly Forest 63, Red Valley 1.58, and the second part was 2.55. These are CPU benchmarks. 110 frames for the Canyon Flight and 83 for the Deep Freeze. And I'll give you some temps here as well during that. Okay, we got a maximum CPU temp of 63 degrees and maximum GPU temp of 47. I've actually done my own testing as well using MSI Afterburner, using the combustor, which is here. I'm just about to start up here. There you go. Furriness, but I've actually had a maximum temp using this, which was pretty much your test, your extreme tester, maximum temp of 53. So it's not currently that hot. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this computer. It's been really good temperatures and all going really well. Average of 491 frames a second there. And there's my mother. So yeah, there's your benchmarks, guys. Thanks, and there'll be some more on the way. Cheers. Bye.